The name of the second letter in the Hebrew alphabet is Bet. Notice that the first letter, Aleph, and the second letter, Bet, form the word Aleph Bet, where we get our word alphabet. Bet is a Hebrew word meaning house, home, or household, as can be seen in Genesis 7:1. And Yahweh said to Noah, "Come to the ark, you and all your house." 4,000 years ago, this letter was written in several different forms, all representations of the outline of a tent. Much of the Hebrew pictographic alphabet, as well as its language, revolves around the agricultural lifestyle of the ancient Hebrews, who were a nomadic people. In this form, you can see the outline of the tent with the entrance here. This is the wall inside the tent that separated the men's side from the women's side. This letter represents the house, but also with and within, as the family resides within the tent. It also represents family. This letter has a B sound, as in bed, or a V sound when it follows a vowel. Some Hebrew words that begin with this letter are Ba, meaning come, which is spelled with the letter Bet and the Aleph learned in the last lesson. Ben, meaning son. Binah, meaning understanding. And Barit, meaning covenant. The ancient Hebrew Bet can be seen in this inscription found at Serabit el-Khadim in the Sinai Peninsula, which was inscribed at about 1500 BC. Around 1000 BC, the Hebrew alphabet evolved into a simpler form, usually called Paleo-Hebrew. This form can be seen in the Tel Dan inscription that dates to about 850 BC. This form of the letter was adopted by the Greeks and became the ancient Greek letter Beta. Note the similarity between the Hebrew name Bet and the Greek name Beta, but also note that the letter is written in reverse. This is because Hebrew is written from right to left, while in Greek the letters are written from left to right, so the letter is written in the opposite direction. This Greek beta later formed into the beta we are familiar with today. Around 400 BC, this letter evolved again, as it appears in this scroll fragment from the Dead Sea Caves, dated to the 1st century BC to the 1st century AD. This letter, the second letter in the Hebrew alphabet, became the number 2. This letter is very similar to the modern Hebrew letter, as can be seen in the Aleppo Codex dated to about 1000 AD.